Alrighty, guys, got the double espresso on deck. It's about noon on the East Coast right now, and we got to break down SoFi stock and the stock market, which as of now, all the indexes except for the NASDAQ are in the green, and we have SoFi slightly in the red. So we have to do an update on the charts, what I'm looking to do, what analysts are thinking right now, and some news that we just got from SoFi. So guys, hit the like button, make sure to subscribe, and get up to 15 stocks for a moo. Once you open up your account using that link down below and you fund it with at least $100, you get 5 stocks and a $30 cash reward. And fund your account with at least $1,000, you get 10 more stocks, and overall your uninvested cash for now will earn up to 8.1% APY, which, guys, that's a no-brainer. Cheers to that deal, man. It's the best one on the market right now. So check out the link down below or go to stocksurfest.com/moo and let's get right into the video. So like I said, it's about noon on the East Coast, and we are seeing a bit of red in the NASDAQ. Nothing crazy, down about 0.1%, but other than that, the Russell's up 0.6%, Dow's up 0.4%, almost 0.5%, as the S&P's up 0.25%. And we have SoFi, which earlier was actually nicely in the green, but now SoFi is down about 0.25%. So we did see a bit of a run in the pre-market today, guys. We opened up in the pre-market, where were we? Like 1370, 1380. And we started running over $14. I think we hit $14.20 in the pre-market. Then we pulled down a bit at open, only to then run again and take out the pre-market high. We actually hit $14.28 10 minutes into the session. You guys can see here. And since that point, we have sold off a little bit. Now we're down to $13.80. We're down about 3.5% from the intraday high. And even though we are down, we are in the red right now, the good sign here, the good news for the bulls is that we took out the highs from yesterday. Yesterday, we barely hit $14. Then we consolidated for the rest of the day. But today, we ran right through it like butter. We broke through it, guys. Hit $14.28. And I believe the high that we hit recently, a couple days ago, where was it? Yeah, $14.44. We hit that on Friday. So you guys can see we had a huge run on Friday to the mid-14s, followed by the pullback yesterday. Or not Friday, that was on Monday. Excuse me, guys. We hit that move, or hit that level, $14.40 on Monday. I thought today was Tuesday for some reason. Today's Wednesday, guys. We're losing track of the days. What's going on? But either way, we hit the mid-14s on Monday. Now we're pretty much there again. And I'm actually noticing, do you guys see this right here? We have a bit of an ascending triangle on the 5-day, 5-minute. It looks really good here for the bulls in the short term. Hey, we're making higher lows into the resistance, which is at about 14.40, mid-14s, low mid-14s. You guys see it clear as day. So if this plays out, this again is an ascending triangle. We're making all these higher lows. You guys see it across the board here. If this plays out, we could get more upside. I know it's crazy. But we could break out potentially if this plays out here. So what do you guys think about that in the very short term? And before we break down the charts even further, guys, let me show you here what analysts are thinking and some news that we just got. And by the way, make sure to join the email list. It's completely free, linked down below in the description box. Put your first name and your email address, and I'm sending you guys my top 3 stocks every single Monday right to your email. It's completely free, no spam, no BS, none of that, just straight up value. So SoFi's new Robo-Advisor platform expands everyday investors' access to diversified asset classes. We actually got this news, I think, yesterday, so I'm a little bit late on it. Sorry about that, guys. It is what it is. But we can see now SoFi is one of the few automated investment platforms to provide access to alternative asset classes alongside traditional and sustainability-focused funds. These offerings, built in partnership with the world's largest asset manager, BlackRock, expose investors without significant financial resources or a wealth manager to new strategies and funds, some of which would otherwise require a seven-figure investment minimum. So that's good. I mean, it's pretty much bringing you guys kind of like an advisor, if you will, right in your fingertips with not a huge amount of money to have. You know, a lot of these wealth managers, they have massive minimums. You guys see there about a seven-figure investment minimum, some of them. So that's interesting there. The new Robo offering comes on the heels of SoFi's early 2024 launch of alternative investment funds, with more than 8 in 10, 81% of people expressing interest in alternative investments. SoFi is addressing a broader market need with a low-fee, personalized approach to investment strategies, all available on a platform that's both intuitive and, of course, educational. Anthony Noto, the CEO of the company, said, quote, "Our new Robo platform bolsters our commitment to empowering the everyday investor." He said, "We launched one of the broadest offerings of alternative assets available from an online brokerage. Since then, we've been focused on how we can continue to scale our platform to meet the needs of more members, regardless of where they are on their financial journey." SoFi Robo Investing marks yet another milestone as we continue to deliver on our mission to build a one-stop financial platform that helps our members unlock their long-term goals in a meaningful way. And this would actually be interesting for the channel here, guys, if I actually maybe broke down the platform, threw some money in there, tested it out. Let me know in the comments if you guys would be interested in me doing a video like that. Looks like here SoFi's robo-investing product offers the benefits of always-on automation plus expert-curated portfolios for 0.25% annual advisor fee, which is not bad at all, and allows members to adjust taxable and non-taxable portfolios to meet their unique needs. So, yeah, there's a lot going on, guys. I don't want to go too far into this, but yeah, the Robo-Advisor is yet again another product that I think will do very well here over time. And again, let me know in the comments, guys, if you'd want me to see, or if you'd want to see me, if I could talk today, guys. What's going on, man? Maybe I need more coffee. I don't know. But let me know in the comments if you'd like to see me make a video using the platform, throw some money in there. Maybe I'll do that at some point moving forward here. So SoFi right now, we can see based on the analyst, if I zoom in right now, we're at the upper end of the price targets based on, I forget, it doesn't say how many analysts here, but it looks like analyst price targets on average for the stock, $9.71, which we're obviously now pushing, what, $14? The low target price is $4. Obviously, we're far off that. And the high is $14. We're currently at the high, literally the highest price target from an analyst, at least based on what we're seeing here on Yahoo Finance. It's $14, and we're pretty much right there, which is nuts. So keep that in mind. And it looks like as of November, they don't have many analysts here covering it, or at least Yahoo Finance hasn't populated it. But analyst recommendations as of November, we have 2 sell ratings, but that's it. But as of October, September, August, you guys see here the yellow bar. A majority of analysts were saying just hold the stock, or some were saying it's either a buy or a strong buy, not many sells. But yeah, majority of people are saying, analysts are saying that SoFi is a hold right now. And I'm curious kind of what you guys are doing. I agree. I'm not buying more now, but I'm not selling either. I'm just holding on. So I'm with the analysts there. And coming back here to the charts, keep your eyes on this triangle. I can't say it enough. This triangle is very prominent on the 5-day. You guys see it on the 30-day as well, or 30-minute rather, excuse me. So keep your eyes on it. I'll set my alert right now at $14. I'll do 2 alerts actually, 14, and I'll do another one at $14.50. And guys, make sure to subscribe here on YouTube for the next update on SoFi, and make sure to hit the like button while you're at it. And if you want some free stocks, who doesn't like free money? Check out the Moomoo link down below. Once you open up your account and fund it with at least $100, you get 5 stocks and a $30 cash reward. And fund your account with at least $1,000, you get 10 more stocks. And overall, your uninvested cash for now will earn up to 8.1% APY, which, guys, I'm telling you, it's a no-brainer. Best deal on the market. Check out the link down below, or go to stocksurfs.com/Moomoo. And with that being said, cheers. I'll catch you guys in the next video.